So now we're gonna remove the supercharger. We gotta get this thing out of the way. And there's a 17 bolt right here you gotta loosen. It won't come out all the way, but
yeah, it comes out. You have to take it all the way out because we have to get that out of the way.
It's right here.
We don't have to remove it the other way.
Yeah.
And John, you might be able to shoot that. Nope.
Oh, I think we got this. Okay. There we go.
We'll do more than look at that thing and make sure it still works. Not want to replace it. The car starts up nice. It doesn't knock. It doesn't do anything weird. It's
Where's our 13 we had?
13?
I believe it's right here. So this is a 17. Remove this bolt because this is connected to the supercharger, the tensioner, and it is a 13. Take this guy out.
I'm like Jeff about the food.
And the bolts that hold the supercharger, they're all different sizes, but they're all black. Even if I clean this, it's still black. So you will know, like the supercharger bolts, they're all black. The top two bolts up here are the same length. The ones that go up to the top, they're also black. And then we gotta move this out of the way.
Down there.
There's one right down there, right?
I think it might be right here.
What's this bolt right here?
I don't. That might be for the see, we got to get this out of the way. We got to get it removed. And there's a clamp here that.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Now, where is the red plug over there? Is that tight?
Yeah.
So it won't blow out when you're
No.
cleaning it.
Okay. Tell them about that you plug that in. Well, I put a little plug in here. I happen to have the red plug, but you can stick a rag in there or something. We're gonna go ahead and blast this front end clean. So plug it so nothing gets in the oil. We're gonna do an oil change on it anyways, but it's just better just to plug the block at this point. There's this whole mess of oil there's an O-ring behind this sensor that goes bad.
Simple to change.
Simple to change. You just gotta take the whole damn thing apart. Let me get that last supercharger bolt.
That came out? Huh.
Okay, there's another bolt. This is a shorter one. That middle one's in there too.
That should be it. Now remember, your water pump is connected at the back, so it's going to not want to come loose until you get it wiggle it.
So this thing's gonna come. Yeah, see.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can get to it. I'm not sure we put that right back on the same way. Get out of your way.
Oh, I had it. If you guys can see what I just did in there.
Good.
There's a neck to the water pump. Has a hose on it. And I just went ahead and clamped it and pushed it back all the way. Now I'm going to take this. Let me see a little bit here. Try not to gouge it, but you got to break it loose.
It's attached back there. Oh yeah. Oh yes indeed.
Okay. Aha. Yeah, it's hanging me up over here, but There he goes. Come on, Mr. Bolt. There you go. All right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, indeed. He's coming.
Oh, yeah. Grab that hose so it doesn't fling the water everywhere and that crap.
Well, there shouldn't be much in there.
So, we took this is the water pump that's connected to the supercharger. I'm pretty happy it's clean behind it. The head gasket doesn't look like it's leaking, which is good. See, we plugged the hole. All the antifreeze that came out, none of it got mixed into the engine oil. So good thing to do. We haven't disturbed the AC unit system at all, which is pretty impressive.
Yeah, haven't dented it or anything.
Right.